What's up guys? Dahil pupunta kami ng Snow Mountain tomorrow, we're gonna buy some snacks for the kids. Siyempre dapat fully pack yung baon nila para hindi grumpy sa biyahe. Right, Sabi?
Yeah.
We'll get two.
Is that the kid snack or mama snack?
Hey, it's supposed to be mama's snack. This one na?
Oh, that's not a snack. Put it back. Oh, there's yogurt. That's for baon. Which one you're gonna get, boy? Which one? Yogurt? This one? This one? Here you go. You just wanted to have Oreo ice cream. Bumili na din pala kami ng Pamol, paracetamol para sa mga bata in case na lalagnatin sila. Kasi malamig dun. Hindi namin alam. Paubos na din yung Pamol namin. But to be sure, we bought one.
Guys, it's a Spider-Man TV.
Ang mahal yagin ko. How much total? Uy, 75 snacks lang. Amazing, no? Makita galing nila sa camera. Kung may ginakaptan ka nga, wala mo ginascan. Ah, nice. Let's go. Dadaan muna kami ng warehouse kasi maghahanap kami ng sled para hindi na kami magrenta ng sled dun sa pupuntahan naming Snow Mountain para makatipid. Kaya dito na kami maghahanap. Sana may mahanap kami. Ubra, tugid man lang, oh. 30 pack, $13 lang. Mura. Usually mga ano to, no? Mga $15. Oh, 12 pieces, $15. Dito sa warehouse, 30 pack na, $13 lang. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng mga murang itlog, pero ubusan kasi dito, paunahan na lang. You see balloons? Oh, where? Wow! Oip, 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 oip. Where are you going? Looking for your thing? Why?
My toy.
Oh, your toy, why? Is that your reward? Ooh. Oh. So may need to choose. Do you have an amount? Did Mama tell you how much is the maximum amount that you can get?
I don't know.
You don't know? Sky is the limit. How much is the maximum amount, Mama?
$30.
Wow, $30. You hear that? $30 daw, kuya.
We're gonna buy two toys. A total of how much is this?
That's like 12.
This is 12. 98. So 13 plus 17.
How much, be? Add it.
13 plus 17.
If you know the answer, then we will buy it.
Yeah. If you're wrong, then only one. Ha?
Kapag bibili talaga ng laruan, daming tawag sinalap, daming negotiation. Endless negotiation. Sana si Sabi, parang hindi niya na alam kung magkano yung sagot.
Not that.
It's 12 plus 16.
16, oh yeah.
Tell Mama, it's 28. Go, go, go. Oh, Mama's over there na. $28, go, 28. Don't tell him.
Manap?
Ha?
28 kidman?
Ilahaw. 12 plus 16.
12 plus 16. Okay.
Wow. Yung sled lang sana bibilihin mo. Wala kasing sled eh. Di available. Ito yung struggle kapag umaalis kami. Ang pagpapak ay struggle pala ni Christine. Struggle ng mga nanay, ng mga parents. Hello guys! Hello guys! My intermission number. Hello guys!
Ah, kapwa ninyo naman. No. That's for tomorrow. Look, Mama is packing for the snow trip tomorrow.
Yay! And inside it's big snowman. I'm gonna go.
Yan, ready na?
Ready na. Diyos ni Lia.
You ready for tomorrow, boys? Girl?
Now we're going to go.
Ito na yung mga winter jackets. Yan. All done. Time to close. So, tapos na kaming mag-prepare para sa mga gamit namin bukas kasi maaga kami aalis bukas. Mga ano oras tayo alis lang?
6.
6 a.m.
Hopefully.
So dapat 6 a.m. nakaalis na kami kasi yung pupuntahan namin mga 3.5 hours drive pa. Kaya dapat maga kami umalis. Ayan. Ready na yung mga gamit namin. Mga pang snow. Nandito yung snow boots, yung gloves, yung mga jacket. Ayan. Para bukas diretso na. So, yun lang. Good night and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.